Having a crush can be a lot of fun. Of course, it comes with a hint of drama, but that's what crushes are for. They take you on this roller coaster of emotions, but then, if you're ready to move from simply a crush to something else, then it's time to learn how to get your crush's attention. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to get your crush attention. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification. The first step is to use your personality. All of us have personalities that are different from one another. Now you may be thinking that this is bad, but this is your biggest advantage. Your personality is rich with humor, thoughts, and opinions. So use this to flirt with them and turn them on. Number 2 is to look at them. If you've never spoken a word to them, then it's time to start with some eye contact. It's harmless and it can be super flirty. You don't need to stare them down, but simply look at them in a subtle manner. Number 3 is to befriend their friends. Now this is an old trick, but it can be very effective. So if you're a little nervous, then start by befriending their circle of friends. This way they will slowly start to hear your name and pay more attention to you. You may even get invited to some mutual events. And by doing this, you slowly bring yourself and your crush closer. Number 4 is to keep your distance. They are your crush, so obviously you're going to want to be around them all the time, but this isn't what you need to do. Instead, keep a little distance. Everyone knows when someone likes them, and so if you're around too much, it becomes more annoying than anything. Number 5 is to work on your confidence. If you're not confident in yourself, your crush won't take notice of you. You need to show yourself as someone with high self-worth and respect, and if they see that, they will be intrigued. Number 6 is to crack jokes. Listen, the best way to create a bond is through laughter. That's right. If you have a good sense of humor, use it. You can crack small jokes here and there to make them laugh, and by doing this, they will want to be around you more. Number 7 is to watch out for the friend zone. Now, it's entirely possible to be friends and then lovers, but you don't want to be spending too much time in the friend zone. So it's important you find a balance and eventually make your intentions known. Number 8 is to use your smile. You see, it's easy for people to fall in love with a smile. It's sexy, it's sweet, and it's positive. It's all the things people want in their lives. So if you run into your crush, give them a hello smile. You want to look like someone they can approach and talk to. Number 9 is to push for conversation. Listen, it's easy to become that one person who is obviously trying to get their crush's attention. So if they test you, don't try to prolong the conversation for hours and hours. Let it naturally fade. Relationships don't start from one person obsessing over the other. Number 10 is to be direct with your crush. When you have a crush, it isn't easy to speak your mind. We usually just stutter and blush whenever they're around. You don't need to declare your love for them, but you should, at least with your body, show your interest. Sit near your crush, touch their arms when they crack a joke. These small things work wonders. Number 11 is to have a little misery. If you can show some misery to your crush, do it. You don't want to give everything away. Let them become curious. This is how you turn your crush into something more. They need to want to get to know you more. Number 12 is to have a mini makeover. Not only will this boost your confidence, but it may grab the attention of your crush. If you want to switch up your hairstyle or try a new lipstick, you should totally do it. Number 13 is to wear something red. This can be a red shirt or a red makeup. The point is, it's red. Well, if you're wondering why you need to wear red, then that's because red automatically draws the eye to you. Plus, it's also a sexually arousing color. Number 14 is to practice. You're going to have to practice getting your crush's attention. You may not nail the first conversation with them, maybe because you were nervous, but eventually it will get easier to talk to your crush. What's important is that you don't let that get in your way. Just keep on practicing. Number 15 is to be yourself. Listen, if you want your crush to be into you for the right reasons, be yourself and never change yourself for your crush. If they don't like you as you, then find a new crush. I mean, not everyone is going to come to you. Sometimes you have to put in some effort. Some elbow grace is part of what it takes when learning how to get your crush's attention. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet so, and do not forget to turn on post notification